If you want to create headings in SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Adding headings can help organize your survey, make it easier to read, and give your form a more polished, professional look. Whether you're building a customer feedback survey, a school project, or an internal questionnaire, this method will save you time and keep everything neat. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey and open the survey you want to edit. Once you're inside your survey dashboard, choose the survey where you want to add or update a heading. This is the survey that will display the title or heading at the top, so make sure you've selected the correct one before making changes. Next, click on Options. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps the settings for your survey layout and display preferences. Once the Options panel opens, look for the setting related to the survey title. In many cases, this is what acts as the main heading for your survey. Enable the survey title option so it becomes active on your form. After that, click on the title area itself. Once it's editable, you can type in the heading you want to use. Make sure your title is clear, relevant, and easy to understand, because this is the first thing people will see when they open your survey. A strong heading can improve the user experience and make your survey look much more organized. If needed, you can refine the wording to make it shorter, more direct, or more descriptive depending on the type of survey you're creating. For example, you might use a simple title like Customer Satisfaction Survey, Event Feedback Form, or Employee Training Review. The goal is to create a heading that matches the purpose of your survey and sets the right tone right away. Once you've finished editing the title, click Save. Saving your changes ensures that the heading is applied properly and will appear on your live survey. After that, you can preview the survey to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. If the heading appears correctly, you're all set. And that's how to create headings in SurveyMonkey. It's a fast and easy way to make your survey look cleaner and more professional. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.